This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. No, it's right. Okay. Okay, then let's start. So we have discussed in earlier class about demo as part we discussed what is data engineering we went through course content, what we wanna learn. Okay. Today we will be discussing about so from today we'll be going and discussing on so what is Azure actually and what is cloud computing, what are the basics of Azure, okay? What is Azure data engineering? So let me share my screen quickly. So can someone quickly confirm, are you able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes.
Fine, thanks. So what is Azure actually? Azure is nothing but a cloud platform which has been created by Microsoft. So what is cloud computing? So basically cloud computing means delivering the computing services like your storage, databases and everything over the internet. That means renting of a resource or cloud computing is nothing but renting of a resource and pay as you go model like instead of you building the complete infrastructure, someone will build infrastructure for you and you will be paying rent kind of thing. You'll be using it for how many for as per your business requirement and you releases the infrastructure so that the built infrastructure may be used by some other business team again, okay, some other client. So basically cloud computing means renting of an infrastructure and pay for what you use. So cloud and in the simply to put, what is cloud computing means delivering the computing services over the internet. So the companies which offer this services we call it as cloud providers. Okay, so like they build for you typically like how you pay your electricity bill for what we use. So evaluation of cloud. So how this cloud came into the market. Suppose if you want to build your own infrastructure like on premise like on a person like consider a company which is trying to build their own infrastructure like if they want to do a software project they want to create their own infrastructure on premise environment like creating the servers, okay, creating the network virtual network, okay, creating all the necessary resources for the developers to work on, testers to work on, every kind of infrastructure. So it takes huge amount of manpower plus time. And if you want, once you created, if you want to add on some new things, it's very difficult to, and it's very difficult for the team to again create an infrastructure, add on infrastructure for the set shifted infrastructure. With this affects the latency, the time, these things. The on-premise, what are the drawbacks on on-premise infrastructure? The cloud came into the picture. People thought like, we want a service where I can create my own infrastructure sitting in front of my laptop, and I can use those infrastructure, and and the infrastructure can be used by my team. So as per the business requirement, and I can release the infrastructure so that someone can use the same infrastructure. Okay, so for on-premise infrastructure, let's take details like let's take a classic example like your Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, these people will be keeping something like their sale days, Big Billion Days or your Black Friday sale or something. Okay, so suppose Amazon's thought or Flipkart thought like we will be having some 1 crore users and they have set up the infrastructure in on-premise for 1 crore users. But so they set up their servers and everything for 1 crore users. But suddenly they got a crowd of 10 crores. So they could not immediately create the some new servers and install their applications by seeing the crowd. One drawback on premise. And so for the next year, what Amazon people did is like they have taken servers and they have set up their infrastructure for 10 crore users. Okay. So what happened for them? So this year they only got some 50 lakh users. Remaining 9 to 50 lakh users infrastructure is waste, and this infrastructure they can't use it for a whole year. Am I correct? So with these issues, your cloud, the auto scaling, and we call it as an auto scaling. Okay, so scaling your infrastructure on demand. With these concepts, your cloud came into the picture, into the market with three types of services. One is IaaS, PaaS, and serverless. Serverless is in that much software as a service SaaS. We call it as. So, so what are the benefits of your cloud computing? Your cost, your speed, global scale, and reliability. So what are the cost you have been spent for setting up the same infrastructure on on-premise will be very when you set up the same thing on cloud will be very less. First point. And speed, latency. Suppose if you are so latency and speed, latency or speed, what we call latency or speed means if you have if you are trying to upload something or if you want to use the infrastructure or if you are developing some software when comparing to the on-premise infrastructure cloud is very fast, so you can operate from anywhere with just sitting with your laptop or your computer, okay, just with an url logging into it. So creating the infrastructure in cloud is very easy, just a few mouse clicks. Next, global scale. What are the infrastructure you have been created on cloud? It's globally scalable, like you can use it from anywhere in the world. Okay. So elasticity here, elasticity means increasing the infrastructure size and maximum capacity on demand. Okay, and reliability. Coming to reliability, we have an very secured algorithms and security provided by these cloud providers, either Microsoft or Amazon, someone. so that your data, what you have been saving, it will be safe and it's in encrypted format. Next, on-premise infrastructure. So as I said, how on-premise who will manage and platform and software. In on-premise, everything applications, your data, your runtime, your OS visualization, everything will be managed by you. When coming to infrastructure as a service, your OS, your middleware, your runtime, application and data basically managed by you. Okay, here in infrastructure as a service. So what are the services as a cloud provides? Infrastructure, platform as a service, and software as a service. Then infrastructure as a service, applications, data, runtime and middleware and OS will be managed by you. Remaining things will be take care of your cloud provider. So when you go for platform as a service, application and data will be managed by you. Remaining runtime, middleware, OS, everything will be managed by your cloud provider. Okay, and software as a service, you just use a software which has been created. Sir, any example for software as a service every day we use? Anyone? Hello? Sir, anyone? Can someone guess? Hello?
Office 365, sir. Hello?
Okay, Office 365, your email, sir, Gmail.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Google Drive. So someone created, you are just using it, right? So these are the thing major differences like what infrastructure. So this is an important question. What is IaaS? What you will manage? What is PaaS? What is software as a service as? Okay. So you need to say infrastructure will be managing the middleware, application, data, runtime and OS. Okay, basically OS, middleware, runtime, application and data. Here in PaaS, application and data, and SaaS, everything will be managed by the cloud provider. Okay. Next. So what is infrastructure as a service and what are the pros and cons? So coming to infrastructure as a service, pros and cons. Installation of any custom software is possible here. Okay. Deployment of the code is not easy. You can install your libraries in GAG, Global Assembly Cache. Integration is DevOps is something complex here. You can do remote desktop and view all the configurations and scaling. Load balancing is not easy, it requires downtime. You can monitor the entire servers remotely. Mapping to DNS website is complicated. So complete all the server setting up environment is not straightforward. So as infrastructure as a service, we have these pros and we have these cons, sir. Okay. So installations, third party, these are easy. But when you go for the integrations of DevOps, deployment of the code, scaling and environment setup is somewhat difficult. Okay. Next. So platform as a service, pros and cons. Here your deployment of code is easy, installation of DevOps is also easy, scaling is straightforward. Mapping DNS to website is simple, setting up environment can be done easily. Cons here, installation of a custom software is not possible. So global assembly cache is not possible, you cannot do remote desktop. You can only view and update some settings. Partial control over the server. So types of cloud deployments. You have public, private, and hybrid. So this is also an important entry question. So how many types of cloud deployments we have? One, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Okay. There are different ways to deploy cloud resources: public cloud, private, and hybrid cloud. Public cloud. So public cloud is nothing but operated and owned by third parties like your Azure, Amazon, AWS, Google Cloud. These are owned by third party people and they'll be operating it, and you and me as an end user will be using those clouds as your client or someone. So public clouds are owned and operated by third party cloud providers which deliver their computing resources like server, storage or the internet. And your Microsoft is an example for public cloud. Okay. With public cloud, all hardware, software and other supporting infrastructures is owned and managed by cloud provider. Okay. You can access these servers and manage your account using web browser. Coming to a private cloud, sir. Private cloud means exclusively a cloud given to ourselves. So if you something like your banking sites, okay, which involves financial transactions, they will have the dedicated private cloud. So a bank like your ICICI or your Bank of America or someone will going to Microsoft or Amazon, they will ask. So we have some financial data, we need a dedicated private cloud. So that a dedicated private cloud URL will be provided for them, which will be accessed by the internal people. So this is not openly accessible by everyone from the outside world. Okay. A private cloud refers to cloud computing resources used exactly by single business or organization. Private cloud can be physically located on companies' on-site data center, or some companies also pay third-party services to host their private cloud. So, what are the cloud they are creating, sir? Private cloud, banking are these people, financial transactions, insurance company, these things. They can host their private cloud on their own data center, or they can take help of these third-party service providers. Okay. So, infrastructure is maintained by on a private network, so that this cloud will not be accessible by the outside world. Hybrid cloud, sir. Hybrid is nothing but combination of your both private and both public cloud. Okay. So suppose you have few companies where they need to host their few sites on public, few and other sites on private. Let's take your Flipkart. The retail site you are seeing, what are the products everyone will be hosted on the public. But what are the payment transactions? What are the purchases you are doing? They will be on your private. That means they are using a hybrid cloud mechanism. So hiding the necessary information and showcasing the unnecessary information to the end user, or keeping it in the public or in the public domain. We call it as a hybrid cloud, combination of both private and public bound together. Okay, allowing data and applications shared between them. So allowing the data and applications to move between private and public clouds, hybrid cloud gives business greater flexibility and more deployment options. Okay. So if someone has types of cloud deployment, you need to say we have three types: public, private, and hybrid. Okay, sir. Any doubts here? So now,
No.
popular cloud providers. We have Azure, Microsoft, Amazon. We have Bluemix from IBM, Google Cloud from GCP, Oracle Cloud. Okay, and any other, sir? Any other cloud is missing, sir? Here. Hello, sir. Any other cloud is missing, sir? Hello, sir. Someone guess your Salesforce. You may heard about that, right? Everyone. Salesforce Cloud, sir. So these are all the popular cloud providers. Okay. 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 Next. Any doubts, sir, till here? Let me go to see. Let me go to some small quiz in these topics. Okay. So application service is an example of. App service is an example of platform as a service. Am I correct, sir? The applications what we manage. Is it an example of platform service, sir? Sir, can someone please answer this? App service is nothing but applications in the platform as a service. Is it what we manage as an application? Is it platform as a service or not, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Next, is it possible to do a
Yeah,
report desktop session with PaaS as a service? No, sir. Okay, the answer is no. As we seen on the slides, we could not do any platform as a service. Am I correct? With remote
yeah,
desktop.
yeah,
So we can install any custom software in IIS. Sir, remember the
yeah.
slide and say, sir. Yes, we can create the custom software. OS upgrades and security patches are managed by Microsoft in which cloud service. Sir, someone be on mute, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine, thanks. So OS upgrades and security patches are automatically managed by Microsoft in which cloud category of cloud service? As a platform as a service, we have seen that application and data only will be managing, refining things, everything managed by Microsoft. So what is the URL for Azure Management Portal? The portal.azure.com. Let's we'll be seeing in creation of Azure portal today in few minutes. Okay, sir. Any doubts? How to create? Now we'll seeing how to will be creating the cloud portal. Okay, and we'll have the overview. We'll be seeing the overview of Azure cloud portal. Sir, any doubts in this? Hello, sir. Any doubts
No,
still here?
no.
No doubts, right?
No, no.
Thank you. Fine, sir. Anyone join from your laptop? Hello, sir. Anyone join from your laptop, sir? Sir, can someone say me? Is like anyone joined from your laptop? No. Okay.
No, sir.
So I will create a cloud for you in your laptop for one guy. That's why. So let me okay say. Sir, someone joined with laptop and someone confirm.
Yeah, I joined with laptop.
Okay, sir. I will give you the admin access. Like I'll give you the screen share access. Can you please share your screen? I'll make you as a presenter. Okay. So please share your screen. Like I will guide you how to create the cloud portal today. Okay. Azure cloud portal, and I'll give you some quick overview on Azure cloud portal. Okay. Sir, I made you as a presenter. Please share your screen, sir. I made you as a presenter, so you can share your screen. Hello, sir. Are you sharing your screen? Yes, you left. Okay.
Hi,
Yeah, I
Sujat.
have made yours. Yeah, I have made you a presenter already. Okay, I make you.
Uh,
I made you as a presenter, so you can share your screen. There will be an option like share my screen in the below bottom. You can hit
yeah, I
on that
got
and
it.
you can share. Yeah, fine. So can you open a browser? Go to your browser. Okay, you're joining from Mac. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So go to the browser and please type in https portal.azure.com. https, or let me give you on the chat window. I have given in the chat window. Please take it, sir. Just paste that URL in your browser. Okay.
Yeah.
So okay. So, so you already had some. Sir, can you share? Make your screen a bit big. I guess it's not. It's not getting fully. Okay.
Can you see now?
So yeah, I can see it now. So hit on maybe later. Sir, do you have already an Azure account?
No, no, I don't have.
So then why
Maybe.
you're getting? Yeah, then why
Okay.
you're getting?
Uh, okay.
Yeah,
It's
you
like
use
this.
yeah, you can use another account.
Okay.
So you can create one, sir. Okay, you can create one with your either with your
Gmail account, anything?
either Gmail or Hotmail. You can see the create one account. Hit on the create one. There is one below. There is an account, right?
Yeah.
Create hit on create one and create a new account. Just hit on that create one icon. Yeah, fine. So here you can create a new account. Okay. So you can create Gmail or Hotmail, sir. Okay. Okay, and give your password. Create a password for it.
Oh,
So you'll have that email, sir. Okay, what we created, you should have that email. That's why. So that you can there is like get new email address. Just type on get new email address. That's why.
new email address.
And
Okay.
yeah, so that he will yeah. So it will create a new Outlook or something. So give me like some with Outlook. Create a email with your Outlook, sir. Okay. So yeah, please pick something else. Please pick a square of two identical objects. So pick which two are identical. The second one you can pick it, sir. I guess it's like identical. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Your verification has been completed.
Which one? Start two.
Yeah, maybe later. So there hit on the first option like get to start with Azure free trial.
This one.
Yeah, the first one. Yeah, start. So start for free. Start free. So it will be redirecting you to an page. So please fill in your details. So from where are you from everything it will be asking you. So your phone number and you will get an text message. So type there. So once you give your phone number, something kind of thing. So yeah, use. So it will ask you either text or call me. Just give if you want what option so that you'll get a verification thing. So hit on that yeah verification code you'll get sir. Please type in that what are you received. So your address you can give it option. Where are you living?
Should I give my card number
So
also?
so yeah you can stop sharing and you just give your card number. It deducts like $1 kind of thing or $2 and it's refundable. Just for verification purpose. Okay. Stop your share your screen. Just stop your screen sharing and update these details here. Okay.
Okay.
It's like your verification purpose. It will take and it will remind you at the month end statement. Just stop your sharing and you can do that. Okay. Sir, have you completed, sir, verification? Hello?
Just 1 minute.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Complete it and share your screen, sir. Okay.
Meanwhile, can I ask a quick question, please?
Yes, yes, madam.
Will this course help us prepare for the certification also, or
Yes, madam. Certification
okay,
also it helps. Okay.
okay, yeah,
So, but more
thank
you
you.
need to practice it. What we say.
Okay. hmm So, if the certification will be more theoretical or like
Sir, madam. Certification exam will be theoretical, madam. Here we
okay,
learn everything is practical. They will ask the same thing in the. So, what are you learning in the practical? They will be asking you.
yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, fine, madam.
Uh, Hi,
Yeah.
Raj. It's not taking my card. I don't know why.
So, are you using credit card or debit card, sir?
I'm using debit card.
Okay. No, no, credit card you need to use, not debit card.
No,
So, it's
actually, I
not
don't have
taking.
any credit.
Okay, so okay, fine. Sir, okay, then share. Okay, then. So, madam, everyone. So, once you done, like, let me share. So, once you done there, once you are done with your credit card verification, it will be redirecting to a page. Okay. So, let me show how the page will look like. So, I had already account. So then I already had an account created. So, you'll be redirecting into a page like this, madam. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
So, you'll be redirecting in a page like this. So what we do here with this we call it as an Azure portal. Okay. So we'll be redirecting like this and we call it as an Azure portal here and we'll be working in this portal. So everyone please try to complete. So I'll be stopping here today. So everyone please try to complete your portal so that I'll give a overview tomorrow. So that everyone will be on the same page. So what is Azure portal? How like what are the services? What is pricing calculator and everything? I'll give you an overview tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Please everyone, sir. Everyone, madam, please try to create your portal by tomorrow and ready by tomorrow class. Okay.
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 Okay. So use that URL which I gave you at the chat window portal.azure.com and please try to create your portals. So either create a new account or with Gmail or how you want to create. Just keep your credit card details are three unique combinations. Okay. Sir, keep in mind your new credit card, new phone number, and your new email address. Three should be unique so that then only you'll get a free account or else it will be giving you as a pay as you go. If If you use already created an credit card or phone number or email address earlier which you used for your regular portal, it will ask you as a pay as you go. So these three things to be unique, okay? So keep in mind that and please try to create your portals. Okay, so once you're done with that, we'll be redirecting to a page like this, what I have, okay? Any doubts, sir, everyone, before we wind up?
Good.
Hello?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you're good, right? Okay. Okay, fine, sir. Then let's meet in tomorrow's session. Please try to create your portals and ready by tomorrow's class. Fine? Thank you, everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.